Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of MultiSafepay Payment Gateway integration for Odoo. It provides a reliable and the flexible solution for the online payments. It supports the euro and the multiple international currencies, offering instant payment status updates, multiple local and the global payment methods, and a smooth conversion friendly checkout experience. So here for the first step I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the website module. Under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers. So here you have to select this MultiSafepay as a payment provider. And for the first, you have to enable it in the test mode and select the company and the website. Here, under the credentials tab, you have to enter the API key for the same. Now, I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop and selecting one product and going to add it to the cart. So now I'm just going to select the MultiSafepay as a payment method and going to pay for the same. I'm selecting the Visa card. So here we have to fill the card details. Now I'm just going to confirm it. So here you can see our payment is successful and the sale order is created for the same. Now I'm just going to website, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment transactions, and I'm selecting this. So here you can see it will show the payment method in the provider and all the details regarding the transaction is reflected over here. If you want to check the sale order created from the website, just click on this. You can able to track everything from log note. If you want to check the payment, you just have to click on this. So here you will find the payment details. If you wish to make the refund for the same, just click on this refund icon, and I'm just going to proceed with the same. So here you can see one refund is created for the same, and in the child transactions you can also able to track it. So these are the refund details which are fetched over here. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.